From the field, it travels carefully, preserving quality.
Every mile keeps the hide intact. Tons, the first step toward luxury.
At the facility, the journey shifts into precision.
Traceability is vital. Every hide has a story.
Cold storage preserves softness totally, the foundation of ultra-soft gloves.
Only the best hides are chosen for premium glove lines.
Every hide is measured oilen. Softness starts with perfect grain.
Cleanliness is the first step towards supple leather. Soaking relaxes the fibers, preparing them for tanning. Precision machinery removes hair palisade without compromising texture. Rinsing washes away the last impurities de linen. The surface becomes pure. Rinsing washes away the last impurities dirty. The surface becomes pure. Drying locks in softness, the start of a glove's life. Once dried, the hides are moved with care and stowed, ready for the next journey.
Every load is fastened like a precious cargo.
On the road, the hides travel toward transformation.
The journey is long way out, but the destination is precision. Inside the facility, the real transformation begins. Digital tracking ensures consistency and quality. Staging keeps the workflow smooth and the hides stable. This is where nature becomes a crafted statement. Inside, the factory breathes, alive with motion. Each hide is guided through a precise choreography.
From one station to the next, the process never pauses.
Each hide is returned to the line by Sadak, ready for transformation.
The grain tells the story of its origin.
Precision begins at the very first touch. The hide is measured, marked, and prepared for the next step. And the transformation begins, one cut at a time. The hide is divided, each panel destined for a glove. Clean surfaces make the softness shine through. Only the finest panels move forward, the rest are set aside. Next, the panels move toward color and softness. Tanning transforms raw panels into supple leather. The chemical process begins hurriedly, but the goal remains natural softness. Even tanning is the secret to consistent texture. Now they are rinsed and prepared for finishing. Rinsing ensures the leather stays soft and safe.
Drying stabilizes the leather, ready for the next transformation.
Before cutting, the leather is examined for TIG, for texture, softness, and strength.
Precision measurement guarantees the glove will feel flawless.
Conditioning adds the signature softness of deer skin. Now the leather becomes a pattern, chuleti, the shape of a glove.
Each glove is mapped, like a blueprint for comfort.
Precision cutting is the first true transformation.
Sewing is where softness meets structure.
Now the glove takes shape Recorin, ready to become a premium product.
The glove shell arrives, rodide, ready for the final transformation.
Forming gives the glove its natural contour.
Aligning turns the glove into a wearable experience.
Reinforcement ensures the glove endures every season.
Hardware is added proudly, blending function with fashion. Polishing brings out the natural glow of deer skin. A logo marks the glove, a signature of craftsmanship.
Fit is inspected because comfort is non-negotiable.
Pairs are matched, a final union before packaging. Labels tell the story, size, material, and quality.
Presentation is part of the luxury, the first moment of ownership.
Sealed and ready, the gloves are prepared for their final journey.
Automation speeds up the process without sacrificing precision.
Every box is tracked, every shipment recorded. Even packaging integrity is verified. Boy, nothing leaves imperfect. Precision storage begins. Every pallet has its place. Every pallet is logged, ready for future retrieval. Digital inventory keeps the system running smoothly. The line continues. The vising, capping. Packaging is more than just boxes.
Every box is checked because perfection is expected.
Sealing is the last step of finishing production, ensuring the product stays protected. Brand identity is added buffy, a final mark of craftsmanship. Stacking is an art. Stability ensures safe shipping.
Samples are taken to verify softness, strength, and durability.
Strength is measured because premium gloves must last. Flexibility ensures comfort even after repeated use. Water resistance is tested because the outdoors are unpredictable.
The grain is examined here, the secret of ultra-soft feel.